What's up guys, let me quickly take you through the process of making a bias using your fabric scraps. So now I wrote a diagonal line from this midpoint that's cutting on bias. This is what it means. Then from this line I'm taking out, but I'm going out by 1.5 inch. So depending on the width of your bias, you can extend this or reduce this. So I'm using 1.5 so that I'll be able to fold it in, and at the end of the day I'll end up with half an inch. So I'm going to cut this piece out and use it to trace out as many as I want. As you can see, it's a little bit stretchy, indicating that it was cut on bias. I'm sure you already know the various uses of a bias. We can use it for piping, decoration, for finishing, and a lot more. So I wonder why we keep wasting our fabric scraps when we can make a lot of fabric bias from them. I'm going to cut the final one before I join and assemble them. So to join them, you simply place them one on each other like this. And I've joined the other ones, but let me show you again properly how to join. So you place each other like this, right side facing each other, and ensure that they overlap at the side, because if they don't overlap you come up with something weird. So overlap to form this kind of V at the two ends. So you sew from one V to the other. Let me use my pen to mark it to show you what I'm saying. So you mark from this V to the other V. Ensure that there is a little excess at both ends. So after sewing, you come up with this, then you press it out at both ends. Before ironing, I'm simply trimming out the excesses at the side so that I'll end up with a long strip of bias. After this, I'm going to place it flat on the table, fold the two ends, the two sides inwards and by half an inch, and then iron it. To fold, I'm simply going to place the right side flat on the table, then fold inwards towards the wrong side like this. So I'll fold this end and fold the other end as well. Then I'm going to iron it till the end of the fabric. So as you can see, it forms a bias. Henceforth, do not waste your fabric scrap. You can use it to create bias. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Hope you try out this tutorial. Bye.